This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came in an umai crate. This is Marutai, and I guess it's a Hakata, or a Kyushu Hakata Tonkotsu, but there's no animal products in it. But there's an egg, you know, but I don't know. I don't know if that's a good translation or not, so I don't know. I'm gonna cook it up. But anyways, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider on what do you call it? Go to japancrate.com and use that coupon code and you'll get a discount when you get a umai crate. Here's the noodles, straight noodles. They go for 2 minutes. And you get 2 servings in this pack, so here and here. So what's going on with all of you? I've been trying on new clothing, which actually is old clothing that I bought in the past that didn't fit, and now it does. So I'm really thrilled about that. It's a nice thing. So yeah, I got this and it was just like way too small. Like now it's like way too big. There was another one that I was like, man, I'll never fit in this, and now it's just like freaking ginormous. So that's kind of nice. But yeah, got that going on. Went on a walk today. Yesterday we did the 10 miles, and today we did 6 so far. Mimi's over there. I figured it'd be easier just to start cooking rather than go the regular route of things, but we'll see. And 30 seconds to go. Did you just throw that? Oh, Miriam. Shame. You're okay. Eat your lunch. Eat your lunch. Eat your lunch. You gonna eat your lunch, Mimi? No. Would you please eat your lunch? Say hi. Say hi to the eyeball. That's my little Princess Mimi. Right? Are you Princess Mimi? Yeah, she's a real princess, not one of these fake princesses. Alright. Stirring. I kind of like this track of all of them. It reminds me of the time back when the Chew Toys had legs. Doesn't it remind you of that? Whoa. Come on, there we go. Alright, now it's Rotato time. Rotato brought to you by Rotato and things that rotate. Actually, I'm going to give this a taste real quick. This looks really thick and tasty. Noodles. You want some, don't you? Frickin' Marutai. Their stuff is to die for. Marutai. Just type that in. Everywhere. And anywhere. And you're set. I swear to God. They make some of the tastiest stuff around as far as Japanese varieties go. Let's make sure you can see this. There we go. Let's get some egg action. Egg? Egg, yeah. Mimi agrees. It's time for egg action. Oh boy, this is a soft egg, Mimi. Is it gonna go well? Oh! Yeah! Yay, egg! That's a beauty! Alright. Yeah! Okay, we have working egg. Cool. Oh, we've got some pork. I need to get over to the spot where I get my tonkotsu again. I'll lay out some ducket for tonkotsu because that stuff is where it's, or not tonkotsu, but chashu. Wow, right? Am I right? Now we use sesame seeds. And we need some habanero togarashi. Oh no! Let's try to zoom in a little bit more. Ready? Set? Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye!